guys, and welcome back to Stuff and Things, where you get your daily dose of nerdy news.
Coming up on the show, it appears time doesn't move the same for all of us.
And imagination doesn't come where you think it comes from.
And last, finally we discover eternal youth.
Science has finally figured out why you just can't kill that damn fly that keeps buzzing around and bugging you all day. A new study has discovered that smaller animals tend to experience time at different paces than us big oafs do.
They analyzed the perception of time of a bunch of different animals using a technique called the critical flicker fusion frequency, which just basically measures how fast the eye can respond to light. It seems the fastest creatures, which is kind of a no-brainer, were some species of squirrels, starlings, and pigeons. Yeah, you can't kill pigeons either, apparently.
Next up, have you ever wondered where your ability to wonder comes from? Unlike anger or fear, imagination doesn't just spring from one spot in the brain. Researchers from Dartmouth in the UK have found that it springs from a whole huge neural network that just taps into several different parts of the brain.
This seems to set us apart from a bunch of different species, how we organize our brains, even though it does seem to make things a little bit harder to focus at times. It makes us who we are. And of course, they're gonna then try to figure out how to give that to machines. Yeah, good idea, guys. We're screwed.
And for the last story of the day, the latest, newest, fastest way to be the most healthy you is in. And all it takes is being the active, fabulous, fit self you already are. Unless you're a slob who sits around all day and, doesn't exercise at all. You might have to get on that.
A team from the University of California looked at 35 men with prostate cancer. Out of those men, 10 decided to lead more active, healthy lifestyles, vegan diet, the whole works. And with that new diet and lifestyle came younger cells. It all comes down to the telomeres. If you haven't heard of them, neither I, except you should if you took biology, which I didn't take advanced stuff. It's the end parts of the chromosome, and it stops them from degrading and splitting off and just being completely useless. These 10 men had 10% longer telomeres. So apparently that 10% meant a huge thing?
Alright guys, so what we would like to know from you is and keep this PG-13, what do you like to daydream about in the middle of the day? It's a nice pastime. Takes you away from horrible days. Anyway, let us know in the comments down below.
And of course, if you like what you see, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons wherever they happen to be, and we'll check you out in the next video.